If you're planning any kind of heavy-duty renovation, demolition work, or concrete breaking, then this tool is definitely worth checking out. Today, we're taking a look at the SucceBuy 1400W Demolition Jack Hammer, a powerful electric jackhammer designed for serious construction and renovation tasks. And for the price, this thing is surprisingly capable. Let's start with the power. This jackhammer comes with a 1400W motor, delivering up to 2,900 beats per minute, which means it can easily handle tough materials like concrete, brick, stone, and other hard surfaces. Whether you're breaking up an old floor, removing tiles, or doing structural demolition, this tool gets the job done fast. Now, one of the great things about this package is that it includes 2 chisel bits, so you can switch between different types of work right out of the box. No need to buy extra accessories just to get started. The design is built for heavy-duty use, making it suitable for construction workers, renovation teams, or even serious DIY users tackling big projects. It's an electric-powered tool, so you don't have to deal with fuel or complicated setups. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. And despite its power, it's designed to give you control and efficiency, helping you break materials more precisely without wasting effort. If you've ever tried doing demolition manually, you already know how much time and energy this can save. Now let's talk about the price. Right now, the SucceBuy 1400W Jack Hammer is available for just $45.89, which is a massive 63% off the original price. For a tool in this category, that's actually a really strong deal. If you want to grab one, click the link in the description below to buy. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tools, construction gear, and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.